India's richest man is pouring more than 80 billion into green energy. It's been a while since we talked about Ambani on this show.
Our boy.
Yeah, it's been a while. I don't know. Maybe he's been a little bit quiet, or maybe just the news cycle. I'm not really certain. But he's got this very diversified business going on. From obviously telecommunications is what typically comes up with the stuff that we talk about. But this latest news has to do with a power plant. And I don't know, what was the technology going to be? Let's see. Allocate a whopping 6 trillion rupees, $80.6 billion. That's quite a couple of bucks there. Renewable power projects in Western Indian state of Gujarat, where it hopes to help generate 1 million new jobs. Oh my God, 1 million jobs. What a crazy number.
That's a lot.
Like, I'm going to head over to this state over here and put in a power plant, and I'm going to need 1 million employees. It's just such a staggering idea. Anyway, the bulk of the money, $67.7 billion, is going to go towards a new power plant and hydrogen system, the company said in a stock exchange filing. Reliance plans to make the massive investment over a 10 to 15-year period and has already begun scouting for land for the 100 gigawatt capacity site. It will also be a new manufacturing hub. What do they say? From the vision of Indian Prime Minister Modi, the company's 1 million job projection includes both direct and indirect new opportunities in Modi's home state. Well, I mean, if they can deliver it, then 1 million jobs is 1 million jobs. Oh, by the way, they say it's a critical time because coal still accounts for 70% of the country's electricity generation. So I guess they're trying to upgrade some of that. I don't know. Coal gets a rap going on. I mean, not too many fans of coal in 2022.
No, not at all.
I don't know. Maybe definitely somebody. There's definitely some coal guys out there.
I guess Santa Claus gives out coal. He's stocking up for all the bad kids.
Oh, he's about to run out of his supply.
Yeah.
You have to go mine it himself or something.